graph below represents the amount of coffee brewed, that's my y value, in ounces based on the amount of time, that's going to be my x value, in minutes, for which the coffee maker has been brewing coffee. So you put coffee in a coffee maker, after a certain amount of time, you get a certain amount of coffee. So this is minutes, my x value, that I brew my coffee, and this is how many ounces I get, my y value. So looking at some of these points, I could say something like, 2-4. 2-4 means in 2 minutes I make 4 ounces of coffee, something like that. Which ordered pair represents the number of ounces of coffee brewed when the coffee maker has been brewing coffee for 5 minutes? Okay, well, minutes is my x value. So I'm going to go to where my x's are and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to go up here and put a dot right there. Now that dot matches up with a y value exactly in between 8 and 12. So I know that coordinates are given to us in the form x, y. My x value is 5. My y value is exactly in the middle of 8 and 12. What number is exactly in the middle of 8 and 12? 10 is exactly in the middle of 8 and 12. So my y value is 10. My x value was 5, and that gives me the point 5, 10, which is A.